I've lived in the Outer Banks area for the past 11 and a half years, and we just finally got a Target. I have been meaning to stop in here since opening day, but I've been too busy, so here I go. Come along with me and help me shop for some prizes for my Class Dojo store. So excited! It is so typical Target run. This is not on my list at all. They're so cute though. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, so I got a new phone. What's the big deal? Okay, now we're actually getting to what I came for. Barbecue. Hot, not fun, hot barbecue. Snacks for hungry students. Okay, so honest initial first impressions, it's a Target and it just opened, so they're definitely getting more stock. However, it seems to be pretty well organized like a normal Target, clean. I hope that they get more stuff because right now there's not a lot, and I also hope that they change their hours soon because they're only open till 8 right now. But I'm thinking that probably as the tourist season picks up, maybe around Memorial Day, they'll start adding on to their hours because we get super busy in here. So, all right, so let me do a little haul for you. I replaced my pod because my other one broke. I got a car mount right here that I'm gonna try out. I just got a new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that is what I am filming on right now. And so I bought this pop socket to put on the back. I got some snacks. These are ones that I really like. It's sort of like a pub mix, whatever. And then I got these for hungry students. If they're really super hungry, they will eat animal crackers. And I'm gonna hide the stuff I don't want them to eat. And then I got myself a little treat. These Smart Sweets, because I've never seen the caramels before, so I'm gonna try them. Let's see if I can make this work. I actually need to put my car mount on, and then I will be able to like legit talk to you and do stuff in the car. Okay, I just dropped this. Here we go. So this is 140 calories for a bag, 7 grams of fat, and it says 1 gram of sugar, but it also has 35 grams of carbohydrates. So not really sure where all the extra carbs are coming from. Oh, they're in these little wrappers. So I might actually be able to just eat part of a bag, not an entire bag, which is good. Yum. Okay, let's see if there's any kind of sweetener does it have in it. Stevia. That's okay. I can do stevia. I have to really watch my artificial sweeteners. There are very few that I can tolerate because of fibromyalgia. And right now I'm symptom free, and I'm trying to keep it that way. So that was the big thing that I did. If you struggle with pain, take out your sweeteners, artificial sweeteners, and see how you do. Because artificial sweeteners, they're not good for your like neurological system, since that's like a musculoskeletal disorder and it works with your nerves. Anything that bothers your neurons is something you have to stay away from. So another thing I cannot do is MSG. So lots of like processed stuff. The more whole that I eat, the better. But these are pretty good. I actually really like them. Okay, I'm gonna settle for 2. Put that away. I was not very successful in my mission to get the prices that I had on the list. This is my list. I need to get some $10 Apple cards, and they only had $15 ones in there. I need to get some Amazon cards, which I think I can order a pack of them. I got my Roblox cards. I need to get a $10 Xbox card. Yeah, and then I just need to get a bunch of snacks. And I noticed that the snacks that the kids asked for were not like at a great price in Target. I think Target is a convenient place to pick up snacks, but I don't think it's a cheap place to pick up snacks. So I'm gonna go get myself a coffee, and then I'm gonna head to the Dollar General and try to get the rest of my stuff there. So there's a new Starbucks that just opened. I'm gonna go through the drive-thru and get myself a coffee treat before I go on my way. Super excited for the Starbucks drive-thru. I need to clean my windshield, so pardon me, but look at that beautiful sky. It's gorgeous.
Hello, can we help you?
Yes, I'd like an iced white chocolate mocha. I will take it.
Size?
Yeah, I'll take it venti.
Okay.
And I'd like a tomato and mozzarella on focaccia.
Let me see if I have any.
Okay, I know it's the end of the day.
Yeah. Yeah, I got one.
Okay, great.
Anything else, ma'am?
That will be it.
All right, we'll see you up front.
Thank you. So good.
Bonus points? Register today on the Speedway app to get 1,500 bonus points.
So I figured out how to put this on. I put it up on the dash up high, and now I can actually, I can be seen. And I have my horizontal taping going on that I need for YouTube. So it's perfect. All right, I'm right down the street. I'm right down, stop, turn it off. I'm right down the road from the Dollar General and the Family Dollar. So I'm gonna go in there and try to get my stuff. So today we had our benchmark testing, which we call NC check-ins in this area. And today was math. And so the entire morning we were testing. And so I didn't have like all my regular classes, and I'm not gonna have all my regular classes tomorrow because tomorrow we are testing for science. So it's been a little bit different than normal. I got aggravated with my students this afternoon in the 8th grade because that's the grade that I have the state test for. And they were just not paying attention. I was trying to teach them something new. Like, I'm still teaching them new things because, let's face it, I wasn't here for like 9 weeks. And so my students were missing instruction during that time, and there's not much we can do except just keep moving and get as much done as we can before the end of the school year. So they are probably going to get like 2 weeks of really good review before the test, and the rest of the time we're literally going to be learning new material. And especially because I'm not going to be there for a week. Our daughter's graduation is happening in Colorado, so we have to fly out there, and then we're going to fly back, and we're going to leave our car in Maryland and drop it off and fly from there, so that when we get back, we can turn around and drive to Ohio and from Maryland, because it'll be closer, and then go to my niece's wedding, my brother's daughter. So we are going to be gone. I'm going to miss 6 days of school, which I hate to do, but it's just been one of those years for me. I had my knee surgery. I needed to do it. I've been waiting for a really long time to do it. And then on top of that, all these things like meetings that I've had to go to, and conferences, and going for a wedding, and going for a graduation, and just one thing after another. So, all right, need my list. It's 8:45. This place is open till 10. So, got my list. I'm headed inside. So I got almost everything. I still need to get like maybe 2 more cards later on, but I can pick those up another day. So now I get to drive down the very long, dark, lonely road. It has been 29 minutes and 26 seconds. So I just almost hit 2 bears. There were 2 bears that just ran out of the field. Thank the Lord, I stopped. The most accidents happen within 5 miles of your house. Literally, that was a quarter of a mile down the road. Okay. I'm gonna take a breath now and talk to you later. Time out. I think it was a good choice, Papa.
First thing he showed me was his other dinosaurs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grayson. Happy birthday to you. Yay, Grayson!
Make a wish. Don't tell anybody what it is.
Yay! This year was my 50th birthday, and it felt like any other day, really, because we would normally have a big celebration and invite a lot of people, but it's a little different this year because Ainsley's graduating in Colorado. We're getting ready to take a trip over there to see her graduation ceremony, and we're going to be enjoying Manitou Springs while we're there. We have a really cool Airbnb booked, so our celebrating is going to be extended over the next week or so. So for my birthday, we just took a walk out on the pier. It was a gorgeous day, as you can see here. I actually had my students sing to me during our cafeteria time today, which was really sweet. And they also did a challenge for me to try to do 50 random acts of kindness. And we didn't quite get to 50, but it was just a good way to celebrate my birthday. I also had them do a writing prompt to tell me what they would do when they were 50 years old. They turned out really cute, and I'll share a few of them here. So all in all, it was a very simple, quiet birthday, but I know that we're getting ready to have so much fun with friends and family coming up in the next week on our big trip. So I can't wait to share that with you. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, so you can join in on the fun when I bring you my next vlog. That's it for today. Everybody, don't forget to work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen.
All right, guys, guess whose birthday it is today?
Happy birthday, Miss Ludo!